स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ।
Hello guys, welcome to the Manu Education. So today we'll talk about the CAT, that is Common Admission Test for 2021. And CAT for what? For MBA program. Because if you want to enter into this business world, want great opportunities ahead, then friends, you must have something special in your master degree. Although there are various programs in MBA also, MBA in finance, MBA in HRM, in international business, and there are various programs. But guys, why MBA? Because the MBA personality can lead to team, can be as a leader, because he or she will have the management skills. So guys, you have heard about lot of exams with respect to the MBA. There are various exams. We'll talk about later. But guys, if you wanna enter into IIMs, as I listed here, there are 20 IIMs, then you have to crack the CAT. So guys, stay tuned with me throughout, because we'll talk about some of the important points like the eligibility criteria, the paper pattern, dates, important dates, the selection process, seat availability, and the very important one, that is the placement if we are talking about the business schools. So guys, stay tuned. Now, very first one, we have launched our new YouTube channel named as Manu MBA Entrance, which is specific to all MBA entrance exams such as MBA CET, CAT, NMAT, CMAT, MAT, SNAP, IFT, ZAT, and others. So guys, if you are preparing for any of these exams, you will get the best coaching from our side. Call our board line number 8828581455. And guys, I already mentioned the description below. Just click on the description and don't forget to subscribe the channel, because in this channel you will get lot of updates with respect to all these exams. And if you have certain doubts and queries and even the suggestion which type of video you wanna, then guys tell me in the comment box, so we'll make the videos as per your recommendations. So let's come to the main topic, CAT, that is the Common Admission Test conducted by the IIM. The respective IIM, there are 6 main IIM. These are the ABC, Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Kolkata, Lucknow, Indore, and Kozhikode. So these are the 6 IIMs, main IIMs. Rest are the baby IIMs and the newly one. So these all 20 IIMs except the CAT score, there are certain criteria with respect to the admission process. We'll talk later. So very first one guys, if we talk about the entrance exam for MBA, then there are various exams: ZAT, CMAT, SNAP, IFT, TISNET, although which offers the Master of Arts degree, but the flagship program of it is HRM, and it is as equivalent as MBA. So the TISNET, after NMAT, MyCAT, ATMA, IPSAT, MAT, and the CAT. So we'll talk about the CAT. The number of applicant guys I listed here, almost every year more than 2 lakh candidates apply for CAT. These all are the number of registrations, so you can assume the competition level here. So the 20 IIMs and more than 1000 plus business schools accept the CAT score. So let's talk about CAT in detail. First one, the eligibility criteria. Now with respect to the qualification, you must pass the bachelor's degree with at least 50% marks or equivalent CGPA and 45% marks for SC, ST and PWD categories. So those guys who are appearing for the final year of their bachelor's degree are also eligible, and same wise those who have already completed the professional degree like CA, CS and ICWA with required percentage, they can also apply for CAT. Now if we talk about the age criteria, then there is no age criteria. Now if you have got the CGPA, then you have to convert the CGPA into the percentage. Now if your university doesn't allow and doesn't give any scheme with respect to the CGPA to convert into percentage, then how you will convert? Then whatever the CGPA you got, for example you got 6, okay, the maximum CGPA are 10, multiply it by 100, so that means you will get this 60%. Guys, this is just the example. The university or your particular college from where are you graduating, okay, they also have all these criteria how to convert the CGPA into the percentage. So follow those criteria first. Now let's talk about the exam schedule. Okay, these all are the activity. Guys, the starting of registration process in the first week of August 2021. The last date for registration will be 4th week of September. Admit card will be released in the month of October 2021. And your date of exam will be in the November month. So guys, kickstart your preparation and make all your strategies, plan all your strategies and prepare your roadmap according to these all dates. Thereafter, the result declaration will be in the month of January 2022. So these all are the exam activities. Guys, these all are the tentative dates. Okay, so make sure you should not stop your preparation. Start your preparation according to all these dates. Don't wait for dates. Once the notification will out in July, we'll make another video on same. Now if we talk about the paper pattern, Then in 2020, there is some change in the paper pattern. Previously, there were 100 questions, but in 2020, there were 76 questions. And we can assume that in 2021, the pattern of 2020 will be repeated. So I mentioned both the patterns here. The sections will be remain same, the verbal ability and reading comprehension, quantitative ability and logical reasoning and data interpretation. So if the number of question will be 100, then 34 for VRC, 34 for quants and 32 for LRDI. In 2020, there were 26 questions from VRC, 26 from quant and 24 from LRDI. If there will be 100 questions, then time duration will be 3 hours, 60 minutes for each section. And if there will be 76 questions, time duration will be 40 minutes per section. So overall 120 minutes. Now if you talk about the marking system, for each correct answer you will get plus 3 marks, and for each incorrect answer you will lose 1 mark. Now no negative marking for non-MCQ questions. Let's move further. Now we'll talk about the selection process. So guys, each IIM will send the interview letters to the shortlisted candidates directly. So please note that each IIM is independent to mandate their own eligibility criteria regarding the admission process. And also note that IIM shortlist candidates for the interview stage based on their own criteria, which may be independent of each other. So now if we talk about all the IIMs, then guys, these all are the parameters considered in the final selection process. So very first one, your performance in CAT, very important one. Then academic records in 10th and 12th, the bachelor degree, VAT, the written aptitude test, and GD, PI, work experience, gender and academic diversity. So these all are the parameters considered. So these all varies with respect to the each IIM. So we'll make another video with respect to each particular IIM. And in that we'll talk in detail about the cutoff, selection process and also the placement process. Now if we talk about the seat availability, then these all are the seat intake. So very first one, the IIM Ahmedabad, the oldest one, which is established in 1961, and the most reputed one, the IIM Kolkata, which is also established in 1961. So these all are the seat intake. In IIM Ahmedabad 385, Bangalore 430, Kolkata 462, Lucknow 436 and Kozhikode 480. Indore 585. So these 6 are the main IIMs. The seat intake might be vary because it depends on various criteria. So once check the official website for the detail about the seat intake, and once the form will be out, then we'll also get the details about the seat intake. But yes guys, these all are the seat intake right now. Now if we talk about the placement, so the highest salary package offered by the IIM Ahmedabad, thereafter Bangalore, Kolkata, Lucknow, all I mentioned in the decreasing order. So these all are the respective salary packages. Now regarding the past recruiters and the placement process, what are the highest packages, the average package and the lowest package, and also the return on the investment. So on all these parameters we'll make another video. So guys, be connected to our YouTube channel because you will get lot of updates with respect to all these IIMs. So guys, this is all from the today's video, all about the CAT. So we discuss about some of the important points, and also on whatever point we didn't go in detail, we'll talk in next video. So if you are preparing for CAT, join our online program. You will get the boosters like books, mock tests, sectional course, full course. So visit at manvoedu.com/MBA entrance, and if you want to interact live with us, then call or WhatsApp on 8828581455. So guys, this link also mentioned in the description. Kindly check the description. And if you want to join our classroom preparations, then you can join us at Borivali, Dadar and Vasai. So guys, this is all from the today's video. I hope you got all the information with respect to the CAT. Still, if you have any doubt and queries, you can ask me in the below comment section. So to get the regular updates with respect to the CAT and with respect to all MBA entrance exam, subscribe our channel. So thank you very much guys. All the best for your career. See you in the next video.